Bonafide Hustler here, and we're right in the middle of garage sales, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna find a lot of great things today. So I'm gonna open up a vlog, and hopefully you enjoy it. We've already been to 2 garage sales. We haven't found anything yet, but there are garage sales left and right. And so we're gonna be looking at these. We're looking for all sorts of items that we can resell that are predominantly used. You wanna stop at this one?
I mean, I can't tell. This guy's completely blocking.
Okay, my girlfriend's got a box. And I just bought these string lights that go on top of trees. These things are expensive at the stores. They're like 40 bucks for 20 feet. But we got some more right here. And we bought them for $2 a box. That saves us a lot of money, actually. We're trying to go as fast as we can. I know if we go super fast, we'll find something really good. Right, so from a garage sale behind over there, I spent 15 bucks. I got this CWB wakeboard with bindings that are good for 9 to about size 12, which is a great size. It's about to be lake season, and we could probably move this for like 1 to 150 on local markets. So there you go. All right, this garage sale, 2 bucks, 2 tubes, and a seat. We work on bikes, we need this kind of stuff. Oh yeah, and some of these because I'm about to do some pollen clean up in my yard. I'm gonna need this, you know? So $1 for all this, there's 20 of them in there. And then 20 bucks we bought you this not used Schwinn bike. No, I'm not gonna resell this. My girlfriend wants to buy it for one of her friends. 20 bucks for a Schwinn bike, but not gonna be resold. All hands on deck because we are in a neighborhood now that has probably 1,000 to 3,000 homes, and it's a neighborhood-wide garage sale. And we got bikers in front of me and I can't turn. That's okay. It's okay. Don't worry, little bikers. I'm not gonna go there. But yeah, we're gonna be all hands on deck with the girlfriend. Right there she is. We're gonna go to Avery Ranch, and this is a, statistically, we're gonna have to see so many garage sales to come out ahead, but this is the neighborhood where we're gonna do it. So we're gonna find some stuff. I already know it. It's a matter of, we're gonna have to see a lot of garage sales to get there. So I'm gonna show you exactly what we find. I'm not gonna stop at every garage sale, obviously. A lot of drive-bys, and that's just how it is. So from that garage sale right there, we did find this. This is a Babolat like sign for a tennis kind of shop, you know? Spent $20 on this thing. I do think we can move this thing between 1 and 2 on eBay, so this was a really cool find, and it does turn on. Babolat's a really good tennis racket brand as well, so this is cool. Light signs are awesome. All right, so from this garage sale, my girlfriend found a $5 rattan kind of shelving unit. You can kind of see her bringing it out here. I should be helping her, but it's pretty light. We're gonna put it on top of the SUV. That was 5 bucks. We're gonna be able to sell that for like 1 to probably like 2. I'm not even kidding. Rattan shelves sell very well. You should know this by now. I know everyone knows that, but finding one for 5 bucks, that's a crazy deal. Okay, so like 2 minutes later, the rattan thing is on top of the SUV, and we're gonna look for some more garage sales. So from that garage sale right there, we thought it was gonna be really good, but actually it was really good, you know, because we're not spending money here for ourselves. Well, we kind of are, but we're not gonna be going to Lululemon and buying this stuff full price. This is $1.
They're in really good condition.
Look at that.
No peeling, nothing.
Oh, it's perfect.
For $1. Why not?
This is why we also go to garage sales, to buy stuff for ourselves that we would have bought in real life. Just save a bunch of money. There are a lot of garage sales, to be honest. Like, we've seen so many, but they just haven't made it to the film, you know? But that was to be expected, you know? And we're just going around. We still probably have a section of the neighborhood that has like 1,000 houses that we have to go look at, and it's only 9 o'clock in the morning, so wish us luck. We're gonna try to find some more stuff, hopefully some more rattan stuff, because that stuff does sell really well. From that garage sale right there, don't know if you can hear me, a free Strider bike that is in perfect condition. It's 40 bucks locally. This is a great find right here. 5 minutes since that last clip, and from that garage sale right there, it's a pretty cool garage sale. We found a couple jackets, but we passed on one. It was a little high priced, but we got this one for 10 bucks. Pretty awesome bomber jacket style. We're close to an airport, a private airport. Anyway, so this jacket in the booth, like, we will obviously get about 100 bucks for this thing, like all day in the booth. These things are like the fastest sellers in the booth. $10 in this garage sale. Okay, so from that garage sale right there, I picked up this Vanguard Quovio 44. And this thing should resell for around 75 locally. It could maybe get like 100 on eBay, but we're looking at probably around 75 locally. This is a cool camera bag. This is a great brand called Vanguard. You should definitely know about this brand. Yeah, and it's in great condition too. So that was a good pickup for 10 bucks. Also from a garage sale before this one, you can kind of see this jacket right here. We have a suede women's jacket that came from Paris. And this kind of jacket, strangely enough, sell for like $100 in the booth like all day. And that was $5 at a garage sale before this one. We just didn't cover it. So yeah, we're finding so much stuff. We're getting kind of filled here, you know? It's pretty good. I knew it was a good decision to put that up on the top of the rack because there's no way it would have fit in here. But we're getting kind of filled up. There's like 3 garage sales around here, so like just trust me. There's one there and one there. There's like, okay. Now, we bought this game called Forbidden Sky. It's probably not worth anything. It's $5. Well, my question to y'all is, my girlfriend and I and friends, we're trying to get more into this kind of, you know, board game kind of stuff. We're not talking about Life or Sorry or Monopoly. Like, those are basic. Like the more nerdy type board games like Catan, Ticket to Ride, you know, like those kind of things. So we got this. Hopefully it's gonna be good. But I want you to put in a comment down below, what game should we get that's really fun? Probably average time 60 minutes, 2 to 4 players. So someone please in the comments just tell me what would be a cool next game to start looking out for or buy. All right, that's pretty much the question. All right, so from that garage sale, my girlfriend popped the trigger on $5 on these Chacos. This is a perfect pickup for garage sales because these are great porch pickup, Facebook Marketplace kind of items. Look at that. So this is the Chacos normal, you know, sports sandals. You look at the back, we have probably a dot, a W9 dot. So this means it's a medium size, like a medium width. And this one has the toe loop with the thin strap. So this is a perfect seller for like $40 for a porch pickup, Facebook Marketplace. So we're at like 10:30 in the morning. That garage sale right there, I picked up this cool relic. I rescued this Tyco Tantrum. And if you know about this, it might bring back some childhood memories. But this is a pretty cool car. It's not quite as retro as like, let's say, a Bandit or anything like that, you know, if you know what I'm talking about, 9.6 V turbo Bandit. But this is a 6 volt, should I say, Tyco Tantrum. And it has a little switch thing right here on the top of the controller, and it allows the thing to switch up here, which means it can like do weird turns and stuff. What's interesting about this is we don't have any flat spots on the tires. So this was $1 at a garage sale, no battery, but I do have the batteries actually at the house to actually test this thing, which is cool, and I might actually include it in it. 27 megahertz. This probably would sell between 50 and $100 right here on eBay, because we definitely have the controller, and this is super important, and we don't have flat spots on the tires either. That's pretty good pickup. I like that kind of stuff. That's some RC to bucks right there. This garage sale right here looks like my girlfriend's interested in something. I just can't figure out what it is. It might be this thing that looks like a mirror, sort of. Let's see what it looks like. Is she gonna take it? Let's see. Oh, it looks like a pretty kind of cool mirror that we could use in the antique booth for sure and make some money on. It's really pretty. 20, I would say $30 or less for that thing. Yeah, $30 or less. Let's see what she ends up spending. Oh, she's reaching into her wallet right now too, so that means it's a good deal. $30 or less is what I would pay, but I'm hoping it's like 20 or 10. She's taking out money. I think she took out a 20. Yeah, I think she's taking out a 10. Oh man, we'll see what she paid for this thing. Garage sales have been decent today. I think that we're gonna make all our money back with just selling the thing on top of the truck, which is the rattan thing. So we'll make all our money back from the day today, just from that one sale, which is great. And everything else is just profit. The one thing I don't like about days like this is there are a lot of smalls, you know? And that's fine and all, but smalls means a little bit more pictures, a little bit more listings, you know what I'm saying? So on a day like this, I would much rather find 5 really good big hitting items and then very little smalls instead of like all these smalls. You know, does it make sense? Anyway. Oh gosh, she definitely got it. All right, show it to the vlog. Show it to the vlog. Okay, so this is what the mirror looks like right here. How much?
25
20?
bucks.
25 bucks? Okay. This will do well in the booth, for sure. The mirror is in the car, and we think we can move this thing between 1 and 150 at the booth for sure. It's very heavy, it's solid wood. We like things like that. I mean, don't you like things like that? I thought it was a decent garage sale day. I'm sitting here editing it, and this is the last scene. I hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, honestly, but yeah. I mean, going back to what I originally said, like I would much rather, and you can't do this, you know, this is obviously in retrospect, but I would much rather have a day where we have like super crazy hard hitters, but you kind of just take what you can get. And I wouldn't miss a Saturday garage selling anyway. It's just so much fun. It's hard to pass up easy money, you know? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, put a like, put a comment, and I'll see you on the next garage sale Bonafide Hustler video. You better tune into that one. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.